Happy New Year, everybody. Doug Goff here from MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and today I want to show you the 249 XTS from NauticStar. This boat checks all the boxes. You can fish it, you can tournament fish it, you can run it out for the weekend with a bunch of people, have a bunch of family on here. You can tug the kids around on a tube, do whatever you want to do with this boat. It's so versatile. Back here you can see it's powered 300 Yamaha. You've got jump seats back here, both sides. Jump seats. Then we also have the plates for two separate fishing seats. You got live well here, place for the cooler under the dual seat helm with bolster seats. Color matching hardtop, which is just beautiful. All right, at the helm here of the 249 XTS, under this beautiful color matched hardtop, you got twin helm seats with your individual bolsters. So if you want to be standing or sitting, either way, all of your controls are right here at a touch of the finger. You've got your Simrad screen and your Yamaha Infinity sound. All the boxes are checked on this one here, so it's just a great boat that you can do anything. You can tournament fish in this boat, and then the next day take your family out and your friends out, and you have ample seating for everybody. As we move forward to the helm, you can see that we've got this big lounge pad. Actually, these aren't in, but right here we've got some backs for the seats. Just slides right in. And then that way, you got a seat back if you've got some people underway, so that they can be comfortable. Live well underneath this jump seat in the front that actually has armrests on that too. So this is just a great combination boat. It can do it all, and perfect size. It can handle rugged weather. It can take some action. So we are just really pleased to have this one on site. It's on the ground. Things are going fast. Please give us a call. Stop by here at the marina in St. Petersburg. And Happy New Year, everybody. Good to see you.